Selling membership plans is a great way to generate recurring revenue while offering perks to your customers so they keep coming back to your repair shop. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up and selling membership plans in RepairDesk. First, you need to enable the Membership Plans module. Go to the menu up top and click Store Settings and select Membership Plans. You'll see an Enable button. Click it to activate the module. Important note: the membership module is available to merchants in the US only, and you can only sell membership plans if you are using RepairDesk Payments, powered by Blockchip. Please contact us if you would like to learn more about RepairDesk Payments. If your RepairDesk Payments account is set up, the Blockchip API token key will be populated automatically. If the field is empty, please contact our friendly support team. Let's create your first membership plan. Click on Create a Plan, and the pop-up will appear for you to enter all the details. Plan name, like student plan or business plan. We don't recommend calling the plan insurance, as it needs to be backed by an underwriter. Monthly subscription price. Tax class. Perks or descriptions. For example, free tempered glass that can help your employees pitch it to customers. Employee commission to incentivize one-time sales. You can also associate multiple devices with a plan by selecting the number of devices and marking the IMEI or serial number as mandatory. Once everything's filled out, click Create Plan to save it. Quick tip: we've already added 3 customizable plans for you. You can edit them as needed. Return to the Membership Plans section to manage or edit existing plans. You'll see a list of all your plans there. To make changes, click the Edit icon. Adjust the plan name, price, or perks, and click Save Changes. Remember, updates will only apply to future invoices and subscriptions, not existing ones. If you want to delete a plan, click the Delete icon. Just remember that you can only delete plans with no active subscriptions. Under Membership Plans, you can also make additional configurations, such as getting an email notification when memberships are canceled or offer a 30-day trial period. You can input terms and conditions that customers must agree to when signing up. We recommend consulting with your general counsel to get guidance. You can also handle failed payments with automated retries. RepairDesk allows for up to 4 retry attempts spread over a few days. If all retries fail, the membership will be canceled and the customer will be notified. You can also set internal and external email notifications in case of subscription payment success or failure. Once your membership plans are set up, selling them is quick and simple. Let's walk through the process. If you're on the POS screen selling a new device and a protection plan, start by adding the customer details. Let's add those details now. After that, you can scan the device's barcode to add it to the cart. When you click Checkout, a pop-up will display all the available protection plans. This is your chance to recommend the best plan for your customer's needs. If the selected plan requires device details, you'll be prompted to add information like the IMEI or serial number. For plans covering multiple devices, you can add as many devices as needed, along with their IMEI or serial numbers. Next, click on Proceed to Checkout. Remember that payments can only be processed through RepairDesk Payments. Let's go ahead and quickly process the payment. Once the payment is complete, the subscription is automatically created, and RepairDesk will charge the customer's card for the recurring amount. Now, if you want to sell a plan after a repair job, it's just as easy. Simply go to View Tickets and search for the relevant ticket. Open the ticket in the POS, verify the details, and click Checkout. You'll once again see a pop-up that shows all available plans, and you can offer the right one to your customer. For repair jobs, the system automatically pulls in the device information from the repair ticket, including the device name and IMEI or serial number, so you don't have to re-enter it. Click Proceed to Checkout. The plan will be added to the cart at $0, and a new subscription will be set up once payment is processed. Let's quickly complete the payment to finalize everything. Once done, the subscription is created automatically, and RepairDesk will manage the subscription payments. You can print the invoice for your customer, and if you want to review the subscription details, simply click View Subscription. From there, you can check all the subscription information and have the option to pause or cancel any active subscription whenever needed. To view all the subscriptions, go to Repairs, click Manage Recurring Billing, and select Manage Subscriptions. You can apply filters to find the specific customer or plan you're looking for. The subscription status will be displayed. If your customers request a subscription invoice, navigate to Manage Recurring Invoices under Manage Recurring Billing. You can apply filters for specific invoices. You can also directly filter recurring invoices from the subscription by clicking Action and selecting View Recurring Invoices. From there, you can view, print, or email the invoice to the customer. And if an issue occurs with auto charging, you can click Add Payment to enter the payment manually. Suppose a customer returns for coverage, and you search for the customer from the POS. In that case, the system will alert you to show the membership plan details, associated subscription, device details, and associated invoices. You can proceed with the claim based on the set terms and conditions. You can also track accumulative sales generated from membership plans. You can go to Reports and Sales by Item Type Report. You can apply the filter with membership plans under Type and click on Run Report. You will get detailed sales insights into each membership plan. That's everything you need to know about setting up and selling membership plans in RepairDesk. We hope you found this video helpful. For more details, check out our knowledge base article or email us at support@repairdesk.co. Thanks for watching and have a great day!